So here's my brother's drift car. I was like, yo, delete the cats, bruh. So I deleted them, and we have stock exhaust, but it still sounds lame as fuck. That sounds lame as fuck, and I had the random urge to just make this car sound much better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this muffler. See this? We have another stock exhaust here. I took the one that connects to the cat. Those two pipes. Well, like this. I just cut shit up, tacked it up in the car, made it work. They call me a welder. Oh yeah.